here, and today I'm going to show you what CanCollide does on a part. So you insert a part into workspace and insert a script into the part. So after you insert the script in the part, you get rid of print hello world, and like always, I'm going to make a variable for the part. Why is it that down there? Anyways, parent and while true do, and then part.CanCollide. So basically, CanCollide, it can be either true or false. False means that you can go through it. Well, anything can go through it. True means it will block you from going into it. Basically, you collide with it. So, and just it. Okay, so why is my screen being so wacky? So if we touch it now, we can't go through it, and then eventually we'll be able to walk through it no problem because CanCollide is false, and then it's hard again, and then it's not. Basically how CanCollide works. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.